How to assemble pipe and bass. You start off by laying out the backdrop. You then grab the cross members and align them across the top to where they belong. You then align the bases to each corner of the backdrop as well as where the cross members meet in the middle. Once the bases are aligned, you will insert the upright into the bases. You then bring down the assembled uprights to connect the cross members. Cross members will have hooks at the end to connect to the uprights. You may use tape to hold the pipes together for added stability. There are two ways to hang a backdrop. The first way to hang a backdrop is when the pipe and bass is assembled and standing upright by using a ladder. This option is best used when there's minimal floor space. The next way is to keep pipe and bass laying down on the floor so you can connect the backdrop to the pipe and bass from an easier and more convenient location. You can use the sewn-on ties to connect the backdrops to the pipe and bass. Our favorite way to connect the backdrop to the pipe and bass are by using rubber tip clamps. You can rent rubber tip clamps here at Grosh as well. With one person at each upright, you will then lift the pipe and bass to display your backdrop. Once your pipe and bass is standing up, this is a time to adjust any imperfections. Now, all you have to do is adjust the height according to your liking. And there you have it, an assembled pipe and bass. To rent your pipe and bass, call 877-363-7998 and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.